Hi, good evening. At Metins Capital, today we are analyzing BPCL 1 month future. Today was the expiry day, and what we are finding here on the charts is from 2012 August, the prices were moving in the range of 320 to 360, and then they had a breakout in the new year. Somewhere in the end of the January, the prices broke from this resistance of 360 365, and then they scaled a high of around 440. After that, there is a fall and the prices were finding a support at the level of 360 365. One very interesting fact was that when prices were trying to find at this horizontal support, this strip that you are watching is a great support. Initially it was a great resistance, and here it was a change of polarity principle, which you can find at our videos. So what we are finding here is that 200 DMA, 200 DMA, which is widely followed by institutions and HNIs, was also providing a great support here. And then prices again had a rise, and this time they had moved up till 420, but again they were not supportive to the prices rise, and then prices began falling. What we find here is interesting that the volumes actually decreased when these prices were falling, and this is a kind of a small accumulation and with an increased volume. So somebody finds a value here, and today what was witnessed was a doji with a hammer pattern. So it was a doji and was a kind of a hammer which supports a rise in the prices. So what we plan for our trade next is we are going long on BPCL with a stop loss at around 355 for a target of around 425 to 440 in the coming expiry. That means that tomorrow is the fresh day, and so one can initiate a BPCL long. What we can profit from this trade is somewhere around 40 to 45 points, and the loss is somewhere around 20 to 25 points. So this is 2R, where R is a risk. So this is a 2R trade, and which bodes well. And also what we find that to break this support will be very tough. If the support is taken out, there will be a serious fall in the prices. So we think that this trade is well adjusted for risk, and one can go long for BPCL. Thank you.